Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial I'm going to show you how to find XRP wallet address on Mexc. Before we get into it, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos. First thing, you need to open your Mexc exchange account. Once you have logged into your Mexc account, you need to click on wallets at the bottom right corner. From here you need to select deposit option and now click on on-chain deposit. From the list of currencies, you need to search for XRP in the search bar and select the top version of XRP Ripple. And now click on display address and memo. And here you can see both deposit address and a memo tag. Simply copy both of and always make sure to select same network on the receiving side also, or you will lose all your funds permanently. Now you can also share your QR code with your friends and families. And that's it. Now you know how to find XRP Ripple wallet address on Mexc account. If this video helped you out, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more crypto related videos.